y'all. Guess what we're doing today? We are cleaning out the refrigerator. Now, my fridge is kind of full. We ended up going to Sonic for lunch on this day, so all that stuff on the top shelf is my husband's leftover. He likes to have for bedtime snack. We just needed to get in here, not necessarily go through things to see if they're expired, but to go through and sanitize and disinfect. My husband, whenever he pulls out meat from the deep freezer, he likes to just set it in the package on the shelf without putting it on like a plate or a sheet pan or something. So I needed to get in and just really get that cleaned out. And I also have 3 cats, so the hair likes to collect on the bottom. And me, I shed. Now, these little shelves that I have my soda cans on, I think they're for like cans and they can be for sodas like in your pantry and stuff, but I put them in my refrigerator. I absolutely love these. I got them from Walmart. I believe they were like $19. I'll definitely have them linked below. it was brought to my attention that this top shelf is for milk and creamer. What do y'all think? I personally use it for the most used condiments because I buy way too much creamer at a time and milk. So I put it all on the bottom shelf. I just thought it was funny that my sister was picking on me for that. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.